This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so here every topic is important, guys. Now, without Linux shell scripting, definitely you cannot understand. I hope everybody doing practice. Okay, simply listening, you cannot understand the things. Again, shell scripting also, it's a Linux only, guys. Normal Linux commands only. We are making in a maybe series in a file and we are executing. That is nothing but shell script. Okay, so nothing. All are Linux commands only, even in shell scripting also. Okay, so very important. You should understand the logic, guys, not the command. Okay, so it's not like reminding, just remembering commands, something like that. Only you should understand logic, how exactly logic is working. That is very important.
Yeah,
So,
I think we are done with shell scripting, right?
then yesterday I asked you, maybe for how many already shell scripting completed, guys, here?
Yeah, for us it's done, Amber.
Yeah,
For,
I
for
was
how
there.
many it's completed?
I think Unix part is completed, not shell scripting.
Wait,
No,
wait,
no, no. Shell scripting is done.
Java, wait. How many are there for already shell scripting? For how many it's completed?
I was there when shell scripting was taught before.
Okay, Anjali, Srikar, next.
I think Safik is also there. On that batch.
Okay,
715 batch, I think you have already covered the shell scripting.
okay, so that's what yesterday I asked you actually. Okay, okay, no problem. Maybe I already informed to everybody, so I'm going to start shell scripting. So we have new students here.
Okay.
I have
So
to
Amar,
present.
Kubernetes
Maybe
is done
just
or we'll continue that one?
maybe 4 days. 4 days.
Okay.
So I'm sorry for that. So I informed to everybody. So today is shell scripting.
Sure, Amar, yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay then. Let's start. Jadhav, please go ahead.
Yep. Please give me rights to share my window.
Okay then.
Yeah. Are you able to see my screen?
Okay. Yes, I'm able to. Sir, you have taken Ubuntu. Take CentOS. That is best for shell script. Again, of course, you can write down in Ubuntu also. But the thing is, Linux commands. First, maybe try to learn in CentOS or Amazon Linux or Red Hat. These three are very maybe easy distributions when compared to Ubuntu. So, Danaji, please go with Amazon Linux.
Yeah. I have configured with Ubuntu only, not Amazon or
Launch
Red Hat
launch it.
Linux.
Launch it, no
Okay.
problem, please. Amazon Linux. I need Amazon Linux. Quickly launch it, first one.
1 second.
So guys, as I told you, shell also, it's shell scripting also is Linux only, Linux commands only. But this is little advanced when compared to basic
1
commands, what
second.
we have discussed. Till now, what we have discussed, just maybe for whoever joined newly. So Linux basics, whatever the, like what commands we discussed, guys, basic things. Maybe how to create file, how to create folder, how to maybe check the properties, how to change the properties like permissions, ownerships, how to install applications, how to maybe start application. These things and all we have seen till now. Okay. Now, why do we need shell scripting? So, guys, in real time, there might be so many repetitive tasks. Okay, so maybe our application team, our database team, or maybe system admin or DevOps admin, they used to do some repetitive tasks manually. Okay, the set of commands. So, example, what kind of scenarios we'll use shell scripting means. Let's take we have one server, some application is running there. Okay, so always remember that application servers have logs also, log files. Log files means, guys, related to that application, all the entries, maybe like what's happening in that application, who logged in, what kind of connections happening, so what's going on inside application. Okay, any errors from application side, everything will be added to that log file. So even system also, guys, Linux also has its own log file. So it's very important concept, guys, log file. Okay, if you install any application, it doesn't matter Windows or Linux, at any cost you will get one log file related. You have to find out that that log file always will have the latest entries. I mean, entries about your application or your server. What's going on? Who logged in? Who logged out? What kind of maybe connectivity connections happen established? Any errors? Okay, so those kind of stuff will be there. Some example here why I should use shell scripting means. So that log file is keep on increasing, maybe the size. Okay, so if you keep on adding the entries, definitely the size of that file will be increased and your file system, your disk will be full. Sometimes you may have some you may have a very small space for some applications. So we cannot keep on increasing the size, guys, every time. Always we'll try to reduce the space. Okay, so that point of time he may ask you, I'm deleting my logs every day manually, I don't want to do that. So okay, so I want to automate, so I don't want to spend time on it. So anyway, I have commands, okay, to maybe to reduce that file or else to delete those log files. Again it will be regenerated, guys, recreated automatically. So they may ask you, hey, please automate that. So then I'll write down the shell script for that. You have to, you are responsible then, DevOps admin or system admin. You have to create a shell script with set of commands, with conditions. Maybe when do I need to, it's not like even small size also you have to delete it. Not like that. Only if it crosses 50 MB, only if it crosses 1 GB. Some conditions you have to implement there. So then so this is one of the scenario. Maybe example, I want to take back, just a minute, guys. For example, I want to take some backups, maybe. Okay, there would be again automation already there, but sometimes, so you want to take your maybe some of the one of the folder every time you are taking manually. Every day you are spending time on top of it based on some condition. Now again, you don't want to do that, taking backup manually. Again, you can write down the script. Okay, so that's how it works, guys. Now let's see some maybe again commands. After that we'll jump on to shell script, maybe like how to write shell script and all. So guys, there are very important commands everybody should aware. Okay, maybe Danaji, I think it's better to maybe provide me that IP address. I will share my screen. Can I have that's IP address as well as key also? Send me via WhatsApp.
Okay, 1 minute.
So guys, today I'm going to show you some advanced commands. Maybe unshare your screen first.
Okay.
Send me that key and IP address as well.
Sent.
Let me log in, guys. So please let me know once you're able to see my screen. Are you able to see my screen, guys?
Yes.
Yes, Umang.
Okay then. So guys, please try to understand these commands. Okay, some important commands which required for shell script. Okay, so I'm going to show you some basic commands first. Grep, salt, unique, arc, cut, find, locate, sed. So these commands very important, guys. So we can call them as text processing tools, guys. So we can call these commands as text processing tools. We can process the text. Okay, so we'll go one by one. First, we'll go with find command, guys. Maybe as name suggests, guys, find command is to find any file or folder. So there are many ways, guys, many options. If you go to always, guys, try to see man page. Whenever you get some new command, try to find out, guys, man page. I hope everybody knows what is man page, guys. Man page is a
It's like a help.
just a exactly in detail information it will provide always. So now find the command. I want to check. Always try to go with find command, guys, man page. So you can see like huge number of options. Maybe if you whenever you get time, whenever you have some doubts about find command, maybe any other command, go with man page, guys. There are hundreds of options available. So maybe I don't want to see this much huge output. Simple. There is one more command also. What is that? Find space hyphen hyphen help. Sometimes it may work, sometimes it may not work. Let's see. Yeah, it is there. Yeah, see, guys, it will show you just maybe normal information. What is find and how many options you do have. Okay, so there are many options available, guys. Based on your requirement, you can find out. Example, guys, in my system, I want to find out. Okay, so maybe in some particular folder, I don't know, maybe any folder also. I know just file name. Okay, in my system, I don't know where it is. I want to find out. Then find is the best command, guys. Maybe what you would do in Windows, guys? Something I want to find out, some file name. Okay, so in Windows, what is your approach?
To
Search.
search files and
Exactly. Here find is the command to search any file. There are many ways to find. With file name you can search, with the time you can search. I mean, when maybe example, I want to see last 30 days files. Okay, 30 days older files, only new files I want to see, entire folder, entire Linux box. So anyway, so maybe I want to see only since last 30 days whatever the files I modified. It is possible with find command. Okay, so example, guys, I have file called os-release. What is that file name? What is that file, guys? Os-release file. What is that? I hope you should know that. What is OS-release file?
Which distribution you are working on?
Exactly. Okay, so I know that file. Example, assume that I know one file name, but I don't know where it is. Simple, guys. So this is the command. Find is the command. / means some directory. So what is slash folder, guys? It is the main directory. So like maybe beyond that there is no other directory, right? Inside slash only you can see everything. So here what I am saying means I know this file name. Please find. I want to search in slash folder. That is what this meaning. See, guys, it is showing me where it is now. Under etc. Example, somewhere cd/tmp, here mkdir amar, cd amar, maybe here touch some test folder. So where I'm in currently, guys, I'm in tmp amar folder. So I have a test file. Okay, come out of this. So maybe later point of time you forgot where it is, you don't know now. Okay, so just assumption. Now simple, guys, same command, find -name test. It will show you, see. So there are different files, it seems. It's showing all the files where test is. So you can maybe you should know that which file you need, right? So example, here this is mine. This is even folder folder also you can search, guys, in the same way. So not only these options, guys, find has many options. I want to check last 30 days files with find command. Maybe last 30 days older files. Before 30 days, whatever the files I do have, I want to check. Example, I want to see some Amar user files. So how can I get, so what is meant by Amar user files, guys? Means whatever the files Amar created. So example, simple, guys, find -name, not -name, -user. So EC2 -user. See, guys, it is showing all the files which are with Amar user. This many files I do have. You can check that. How can I check that that is belongs to Amar or not, guys? Any idea? I want to check this is Amar file or not. I don't know. How can I check that, guys?
DLS.
ls-l file name. See, guys, this is belongs to Amar. So guys, you no need to go to some folder to do ls-l. Example, I know one file or folder. Directly also, if it is file, -ld I have to use. If it is sorry, if it is directory. If it is files, ls-l work. See, guys, I no need to manually do all this search, guys. Simple find command. So very useful command, find command. You can search any kind of. I want to give some task, guys, for Linux for this find command. How to find out? So similar options, guys. Now I used -user option, right? In the same way, you have to find out. Okay, so last 30 days files with EC2 -user. Okay, maybe last one day. Example. Nah, maybe your servers may not be running since 30 days, right? So last one day. Example with EC2 -user. I mean to say with owner as EC2-user. So what is my condition here, guys?
Last one
I
day.
want to search files or folders. Okay, only one day older file, not previously. And that owner should be EC2 user. That is my condition here. Okay, example I am saying EC2 user. It can be any other user, Amar user, some Pradeep user, something, whatever it might be. You can do that, guys. Okay, next. I want to find out files or folders. Okay, so owner as EC2 user and size more than 100 MB, guys. Again, one more condition. So you have to find out the option, which option you have to use. Here, how I used -user, right, to make to mention my username. In the same way, for size also, you have to find out. If you don't know, so go with man page, man find. Here you can find out. Maybe size. So guys, whenever you are in man page, if you do /, okay, so you can search anything. So example, I want to search size. Okay, so let's see that. Yes, it is there. See guys, file uses n units of space. The following suffixes can be used. So example, I want to search for MB. So I then here MU size n, then your size, maybe 100 MB. So both options you have to use, guys. You can use any options, guys. Okay, any number of options at the same time. Here I have to use -m for sorry size space n, then your number of units, maybe 100 MB or something, whatever you need. So example, you want to search in GB, then this should be G. Okay, so G, I think n space n correct only. Okay, so
Let G.
file uses n units of, yeah, sorry, it is number actually, not n not required. Okay, so example 100 MB, 100 M you have to use for MB, so that it will show. Let me show you. Simple, guys. Find /name, hyphen name not required, hyphen size. So example, I want to search for maybe all the files with 100 MB. No such files. 100 MB file లేదా మన దాంట్లో?
Decrease the size.
Find
Already pinged in message window.
hyphen type. So what you want to search? Hyphen size 10 MB. Correct one I am using. So guys, how can I check file size? Maybe folder size du-s. Actually in ls also it is showing ls-l also, but it's not a proper size, guys. Okay, so you can use like this, du-sh. Remember this, guys. du-sh, that file name or folder name. If you give like that, it will show that file size exact. Maybe if you do ls-l, guys, it's not clear information actually. See, it's showing something like maybe in bytes. Okay, but this will show a proper size. du-sh command, guys, it will show you that file size. So it seems only 5 MB you have only one file. So less than with 5 MB. So I'm asking only with 5 MB, guys. So maybe if example I want to check more than 5 MB, then that option would be some different option you have to use. So now I got it. Actually, we are searching exactly 5 MB. Okay, so around that's what it is showing. So maybe if you need again like 1 MB, let's see 1 MB files. So based on your requirement, you have to, so 1 MB files are more. This many files you have. In the same way, I want to search only EC2-user files. Example, guys, -user, EC2-user. See, only 4 files. Like this, you can add, increase the options, guys. So based on your requirement. Okay, so did you understand find command, guys? Hello, guys. There are so many options, but did you understand the basic advantage of find command? Everybody?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, good.
Yes, Rama.
Okay, so guys, so you need more practice. There are so many options I'm going to give now. So my requirement is do one thing. So cd2/tmp touch some files, maybe A, B, C, D. Okay, so 4 files create, 4 or 5, whatever you might be. Okay, so guys, with touch command, at the same time you can create multiple files like this. Create like this. Now your requirement is under /tmp. So if I give like this, it will search whole slash, right? But I don't want that. I want to search under tmp, mean you have to give tmp. So my requirement is, so here with what user you created these files, maybe that username -user. For example, if you create these files with root, obviously my owner will be root, so I can do like this. If I do like this, I'll get these 4 files, maybe or else whatever the files and folders you have under this, it will show you. My requirement is, in the same command, I have to remove these files also. In the same command, with find command, that option is there, right, guys? With this answer, whatever the result you are getting, guys, you can add one more option also here. You can remove these files, right? It's not only remove, you can do some performance. Example, I want to change the ownership for all these files. Don't do this one as slash folder, guys, because okay, so my example I'm showing here. So make sure that if you use slash here, it will search root ownership files and under slash. So there would be so many system related files. Don't do that. Please make sure that here use /tmp only, so that if you do some operation also, it won't affect your system. Here it's fine, practice session, but in real time, if you do like that, gone, all will be gone. Okay, so here my requirement is, actually I showed that command right, maybe just now. See, this is the command, guys. What you can do with -exec command, okay, so after your find command, so you can add one more commands, guys, like this. Okay, here itself I want to check that size. So this is how. Maybe apart from that, I want to add some other, I want to change ownership. So -exec ch own new username, only bracket, in this bracket, this whatever the result you are getting, right, one by one it will be added to this bracket. So this is end of your command. Maybe if you have another command, you can add this, but otherwise this will be fine.
Amar, can you
Already
please
answer
explain
also I
this
showed you.
exec command?
I didn't get you. Come again.
Can you please explain this exec command in find command?
Okay. Okay. So what is this command, guys? Here. So guys, what this will do? What this command will do?
All the files created by root
Sir.
user will be listed.
Exactly, under TMP folder. I'm clearly
Yeah.
mentioning, right? So -x option also, it's find command option only, guys. It's not a separate command. Okay, here what is -x? It is an extension for this command, guys. So whatever the result you received, what result you will get? You will get these 4 folders name, file names. Apart from that, if you have any other files and folders also, it will list all, right? That list, okay, you are sending it to second command here. Maybe second here itself. This is extension, guys. So what you are doing? What is this command?
Change the ownership
Changing the
to
ownership
EC2
from
user.
root to EC2 user.
Exactly. So guys, here actually I'm not giving any file name or folder name. Your find will maybe upload the files here. So into this bracket, whatever the result, here you got some result, right? 5 or 6 files. One by one, this command will be executed on top of each file, each result. So this is the syntax, guys. You have to write down. So automatically, so this command will find out the files with root user under TMP folder, and as well as it will change the ownerships to EC2 user in a single command, guys. You don't need to something example. Let me do it. cd/tmp.
Amar, why we did not use here pipe command?
I'll tell you.
Yep.
Here find hyphen name again. Sorry, not name. TMP hyphen user root. Okay, so it's printing. See, under TMP folder, you want to you have this many files. Example, I want to change all maybe like ownerships to EC2 hyphen user. In that case, okay, so I'll give only file names. Example here also, I don't want to use folder names.
Type it.
Okay, only files it will list. It is showing under TMP only file type and with the owner root. So example, so what Dhanaji you're asking, we can use pipe symbol, right, to change the ownerships, right? This is what you're asking, right? See what it is saying. You cannot use the pipe symbol again here. To if it is only one file, you can use it. But you are getting list, right? You don't know how many files you have here.
Use with the X large.
I didn't get you. Come again.
Use with the X large command.
X labs.
X large. X arc.
Exarchs. Okay. Again, that is secondary command. Okay. So one things maybe sometimes the same thing we can do with multiple command. Maybe leave it about other commands. I am talking about only find command now. Okay. So whichever is comfortable, whichever is feasible to you, you have to do that. Now I am talking about find command, right? So here, guys, my requirement is you don't know here 1 2 files means you can do manually chown command again once you get the result. Okay, but instead of that, this is the best command, guys. Here it doesn't matter, even 100 files it lists also. Okay, chown EC2 hyphen user. So this is the syntax, guys. Here you no need to give any, actually you should give for which file or folder you want to change the owner for chown command. Yes or no, guys? But
Why here we use
you know,
curly bracket open and close?
that is a syntax. That's what here your files will be updated. Here you're not
What is
using
the
any.
what is the meaning of this open and close curly brace?
Here I don't have, maybe you're automating your task, right? Actually, what is chown command? Chown command, can you tell me the syntax of chown? Chown, that new user, that file name you have to give. Do you know, before running this command, do you know what are the files you have? No, right?
No.
So here if I do like this, open and close bracket, your find command will send one by one to this curly braces.
It's like parameter passing.
Exactly, variable. Okay.
So why do we need the backslash and colon after that?
So that is
Semicolon?
again, guys, actually here colon not required, only backslash. But in Linux command line, backslash is nothing but ignore maybe. So if you have two lines, sometimes if it is a big line, the same command will be again extended to second line also. That time we'll use backspace. Okay, but here this find command need this backspace. So that is where we are using semicolon. I think, sorry, I think for semicolon purpose, we are using backslash actually. Actually, when semicolon will be used means, if we have second command, maybe any other command, then we'll use semicolon command actually. Okay, but as part of find command, we have to use semicolon. But if you use semicolon, the file again the command will be failed. So we are saying that backslash means it will ignore this this colon, this whatever the semicolon you use. For ignorance purpose, you are using this semicolon.
So are you saying it's an
Sometimes
escape character?
I didn't get you. Come again.
So are you saying it's an escape character? It's asking to escape the semicolon?
Yes, exactly. Escape semicolon means this
So
one you are talking about.
yeah, the backslash semicolon.
Yes, exactly. This is to escape, maybe to ignore this semicolon
Ignore
character.
semicolon. Okay,
Exactly.
got it. Thank you.
So here, see, automatically it will happen now. If you see, guys, I haven't modified manually. In a single command, I'm able to find all the files with root user, and I'm able to change also. This is what execute command. Not only chown command, guys, you can do anything. Maybe example, I want to remove all the files with EC example. EC2-user. But be very careful, guys, when you're running this command. Very danger command. So example, instead of /tmp, you given slash here. Okay, so that means under slash, find out all the files with the EC2-user owner and remove them. Be careful, guys. It won't ask yes or no also. Everything will be removed. Okay, so if you give like this. So what I am saying, guys, find out all the files with EC2-user under TMP folder, not anywhere, only under TMP folder, and remove them. Example, some shortcut, guys. Example here, 100 files I have under TMP folder with EC2-user. I don't need those. You can, this is shortcut, guys. See, nothing. All EC2-user related files will be deleted. But be very careful while running these commands. Whatever you give and execute after this, if it is something delete, changing ownership, okay, it will do automatically. It won't inform you. Your system might be impacted if it is related to your system. So Dhanaji, did you understand now what is a find command? What is execute
Yep.
command?
Yep.
Okay, great. So next command. So I hope, guys, everybody okay with find.
Amar,
Hmm.
I have just pinged one question. So
So you are saying that what is the difference between exarg and execute? Actually, exarg is not. Is it option for find command? No, right? It's a separate command. Do we have exargs also in find command? No, we don't have. exarch is the one more command actually. Example, touch A, B, C. Oh, you're with router.
Root.
Okay, see here, when I run this command, I'm getting in columns, right? So column wise. Now, if you want to make line wise, maybe row. See, x-axis is the command, it will make a row. Columns, it will make a rows. Are you fine now? Okay, x-axis is one more command. We don't have option in find command. Hyphen execute is option for find command. Again, x-axis is not option. It's a one more command. Maybe example like this. Hyphen execute option, but you cannot use hyphen exarch here as per my knowledge. It is not option. Both are different. Okay. Now next command. Okay. Find done. Now grep command, guys. So in Windows, guys, example, you have one file. Maybe you open one browser. Okay, you want to search a keyword. Example, maybe some Amar keyword is there or not in some file. You want to search. Not only file, guys. Maybe in browser. Okay, so somewhere in maybe Windows here I want to search maybe some keyword. What you will do? Control F, or maybe in search bar you can do that. Same, guys. Grep will search the outputs. Whatever the keyword you given. Okay, so in a file it will search. It can search from command output. It can search. Any way you can use it. Example, cat/etc os-release. Okay, I know this file. I don't want to see this whole output. Only I want to see, okay, this one only. Or else maybe I want to see only this one. Okay, this output as an output. So what I will do, I grep. See here, guys. Type symbol, again, it is one more option here. With any command. Example, if I run this command, what I am getting, guys? If I run this command, so cat and some file I opened. So that file output I'm able to see here. I don't want to see this complete output. So what I can do, pipe symbol I can use it, guys. Pipe symbol will help us to add one more command to the first command output. Here, first command I'm getting some output. Okay, I want to search only some keyword. So grep is the command, guys. Grep is a search command. Remember that, guys. You can search within a file or even from some command. Not only this command, any command. So you are doing ls command. So you will get one command, one output, right? So in that output, you can search it again by using pipe symbol. So I'll show different ways of grep command. So grep. And this one, only this line I want to search. I don't want to get all this. Maybe this file is small size, but in real time, you may have 1000 lines in a file. I don't want to see that whole output. Simple. Cat, that file name, pipe symbol. So that whole output will be sent to the second command. Here, what is the second command? Grep is the second command I'm using. Okay, I want to search only this word. See, guys, it will print only that particular line. Wherever it sees in this output, wherever it sees this keyword, only those lines. If you have 2 lines, it will print 2 lines. If you have 10 lines, maybe with this name somewhere, this keyword, anyway, it doesn't matter. Maybe beginning, middle, last, it doesn't matter. It will show all the lines with pretty name. Only those lines. See, guys, only one line I got it. So like this also I can do this, guys. Grep. This also feasible. Your file name. maybe your grep command, whatever the keyword you want to search, that file name. So both the ways are fine. Same output you will get, guys. So whichever is comfortable to you, you can go with that. Your wish. Okay. So guys, did you understand what is grep command? There are so many options with grep command also, guys. Not only this. Did you understand the basic advantage of grep? Everybody, can you please confirm?
Yes.
Okay. Now I'll show you some other options also, guys. There are some options. Sometimes. Okay. So let me create. See, can you please give me the command to maybe I want to print only Amar. What is the command I can use? I can use like this: grep Amar, that file name. I'm already in the same folder, so I can give direct file name. See, but how many lines I have Amar? Here grep by default is a case sensitive. Whatever you given that file name only. I want to print all Amar. It doesn't matter. Small caps. It doesn't matter. I don't care about the case, maybe case sensitive. So in that case, -I can use. It will print all the lines. It doesn't matter. Small caps. See, small I is the option to ignore the case sensitive. If you don't give -I, it will print whatever you give. Example, if I give, it will print only this keyword. Don't only those lines.
Can we give two names like Amar and capital Amar?
Yes, it is possible. -E is the option. Maybe you want to search two keywords. It is possible. -E is the option. Two search also you can. Three also you can do. Four also you can do.
Can we search for a keyword within a folder? Like let's say I have 4 or 5 files within a folder. I want to search for a keyword.
Yes, it is possible. So if you do ls command, first it will show that list, right? Files are folder names. Now here, grep, so send this command to output to second command. So by using pipe symbol, grep your keyword. I want to see only maybe Amar. I want to check Amar file is there or not. Yes, it is there.
No, I'm
It is
not
possible.
looking for file name. Content in the file, like from the list of files.
Yes, it is possible. So maybe that option, I think -R.
L.
N.
I think R.
L,
R is for
L.
-R.
yeah, it's
-R.
R. Recursive search.
Okay.
See, sample file is there.
Got
In
it.
sample file, Amar keyword is there. Okay. Yeah. So there are many commands, guys. Man, grep. You can find out the options. So good questions, guys. Actually, these are. So there are so many maybe like options. Okay, you can search in this way. You can search maybe multiple keywords, not single way. Example, I don't want you. I don't want to use like this. I don't know like which letter. Again, Amar has 4 letters. I don't know which letter is small, which letter is caps. I want to search everything. So in that case, capital I is the best option. Case sensitive. It will take small caps, everything. Okay. So this is what grep command. Are you clear about grep command, guys? Now. So guys, if you don't understand this, definitely you cannot understand shell scripting, because in shell scripting we'll use these kind of processing tools only. Okay, please let me know if if you don't understand. Okay, next start command. So guys, sort command always it will sort the file names, maybe output. Maybe so whatever the output you are getting, right? So that output it will make it sort. Basically ls command. If you do ls command or maybe ls-l command. So see guys, there are by default it's sorting with alphabets, right? So example, you give t, maybe some other, maybe example, what I can say. So I'll do one thing, sample va sample one, some 2 5 1 8 10 again 7 6. Okay, example, see here guys. So this file, some sample file. Okay, cat sample one. So by default if you run, it will show only output only. It doesn't matter anything, whatever the output you have, that output. So I want to sort this output. Simple. Pipe symbol again guys. Pipe symbol again, it's a very useful option guys. You can send a first command output to second command. There are so many commands. I want to check how many lines I have guys. Simple, wc is the command. See, wc, so it will show you how many lines, how many words, how many characters. So wc. So again in the same way, now I want to sort it. See guys, so it's taking 10 also as one only, because it's taking first number actually, first this digit. So that's where, see, it's showing,
like a
maybe for
string.
that purpose you have to use some option, then I think -n. Yeah, see, sorting, descending order, ascending order, you can make it with sort command. Just alphabetical order, maybe number order, you can make it guys. Okay, so here example, any duplicate number? I don't have any duplicate number. Sample one. So example, so write down randomly I'm giving guys. Doesn't matter why I'm writing a file with this number. It doesn't matter. Only understand the logic. Okay. So here I have duplicates also. I want to remove. I don't want to see with the same maybe number. So simple. Again pipe symbol guys. Pipe symbol. So first this command will show output as it is, whatever the content I have. Now this command I am sending that output to this command. What that will do? It will make it in a number. Now that command again I am making a unique guys. See, it is showing only one time. If you have any duplicate lines, it will remove guys. Unique. First sort -n, it will make in order. Then unique means only one time it will show. See, here you have duplicates. 3 2 times, 4 2 times, 5 2 times, 7 2 times. But here see, that is what unique command. So again, unique also has so many options. I want to see numbers also. In which line, maybe like which number, which keyword has how many times. See guys, it's clearly showing. 1 1 time, 2 2 1 time, 3 2 times, 4 2 times, 5 2 times, 7 2 times. I can search. So based on option, the output will change guys. So are you clear about unique command now guys? Again, there are so many situations guys. First try to understand the basic stuff. Guys, did you understand what is sort and unique command?
Yes.
Any doubts?
No.
Hello guys? I'm not sure.
It was clear, Amar.
Yeah, somehow I
Clear.
don't know. So my speaker. Okay. Everybody, any doubts here, guys? You have to ask me if you have any doubts, because I'm proceeding further. So did you understand what is pipe symbol, guys? Everybody?
Yes, Summer.
So pipe
Yes.
symbol
Yes.
always
Yes,
sends
Summer.
the first command output to the second command, guys. So it any command, guys, maybe base related command you have to use. Example, I want to count how many lines you got. WC. See, guys, maybe I want to see only number of lines. -L. 10 lines I have total in the output. Again, I want to see only characters. How many characters I have? See, 20 characters I have in that output. I want to see only words. See, 9 words you have in that output. Like this, guys. I used this pipe symbol 3 times here. It's your wish. Again, this output you can send it to anywhere. Maybe to if wherever you need. Okay, I want to search example if it is something available or not. If it is available, it will show. Otherwise, it won't show. That output. Example. Yeah, 10 available in that output. So this is how this grep, sort, pipe symbol, WC command. Okay, so I hope everybody good with these commands, but practice more, guys. Very, very important to write the
Hama,
shell script. Yes.
just a general question. So, like, can we write our own custom commands? Like, suppose you're saying sort, it's doing ascending, descending order, right? So, like that, can we write our own custom commands, or it's not possible?
Yes, yes, definitely you can write. But like I ever written, but if you know the programming language, you can write out.
Okay. And so,
It is
if we
possible.
just want to, like, if we are curious
Again,
and if we want
yes,
to see
definitely
the
you can. So example sort command. Okay, so which this will show you that file name. What exactly file name? Maybe try to open it. Again, sort command also some kind of file on it's a binary file. So you cannot see that. If you know that programming language, definitely you can write down something, some programming language they will use
I think we can
to
use here
develop the program.
alias command.
I didn't get you. Come again.
We can use alias command.
Alias is different. It's kind of shortcut. Okay, it's shortcut, not a new command. Right, shortcut. He is saying, he's asking completely new command. Can we develop a new commands, our own commands? Yes, it is possible, but again, so someone sort also someone only developed, right? Definitely you can develop your own. It is possible. Yeah. Okay. Yes, tell me, guys. Anyone asking anything, guys? Okay. So I hope you are good with all these commands till now, right, guys? Find a grep, sort, unique, WC. WC is to check the line numbers. Everybody. Any doubts till now? Pipe symbol also.
Just quick one. So there's no limit on pipe, right? We can keep doing pipe
Yes.
one command to another command.
Exactly. Any number you can add. So maybe like here I used three pipe symbol. First command to second command, second command to third command to related you have to give whatever maybe respective. Okay, you can give it to again this command output. I can send it to anywhere. Any number you want.
Okay, thanks.
Okay. Yeah. So I think it's enough for today, guys. Maybe tomorrow. So again, Danaji, please give me the control tomorrow also. So I will take care because logic here very important. Okay, so tomorrow we'll see remaining commands. Arc, cut, find already done. So locate is not mandatory, but said. Okay, this command we'll see in tomorrow class, guys, so that we can jump into our shell script class. Okay, guys.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay then, guys, I think tomorrow we may not have this link. Just a minute, guys. Let me create a quickly. Keep just be online, guys. I'm going to give a quick new link right away. So I think so today is the last day for expiry. Let me create quickly. So meanwhile, if you have any questions, you can ask me, guys, related to today's class. Any questions, guys?
No, Amar.
I hope everybody clear about these comments. Actually, these also not a advanced command, guys, basics only, but will be used more in terms of maybe automation.
And do we also use like for loop and something like that in shell script, or no?
Yes,
Yes.
for loop and if loop I will explain in shell script maybe, so in next phases. Those are not Linux commands, right? Those are general commands. One minute, guys, it's done almost. Got it. Okay, guys. This is new link, guys. From tomorrow onward, please post in your respective group. Maybe so whoever did not join also they will come to know. Okay, guys. Yeah. Okay, guys. Then we'll meet again tomorrow same time. Yeah.
Okay, miss. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.